All right, I think this video is going to be really useful for you. I'm happy to help. This is my SAR writing library. I've got 5 different suspicious activity reports that are just very quickly and easily prepared. I'm going to show you how I do it. Occupancy misrepresentation, this is one we're going to tackle first. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 data fields that I'm going to automatically merge. And many of you have great skills with Word. Many people don't. But let me go through. My skills are pretty good. Here's how I would do this without any help from IT, without any rejiggering of your systems. You don't need anybody's help to get really efficient with this. I'm going to go Control H, and I get find and replace. Find what? I'm going to go close paren, app date, close paren, open paren actually, and replace that with, I'm going to say August 1, 2024. All right. And I'm going to replace all. That made 10 replacements in this document of mine. Do you want to continue searching from the beginning? Sure. Any more? Nope. That's all we got. Now look, I got August 1. Let's give the borrower a name. Replace borrower with Thomas Jones. Bland enough. Let's see how many of those we replace. 38 replacements in this doc. You're getting the idea. I'm going to say September 1, 2024. All right. That replaced it 10 times. Now, magically replacing documents is no big deal, or words. We do it all the time, but I just want to show you how we use it in the template. What you've now got, let me cut myself off right there. I was going to do way more reading than is needed. What you've got here is the start of 7 different SARs, pretty well organized. Play with the template I sent. And if you have any questions at all on how to use this, just reach out to me. It's going to save you a ton of time. Thanks so much. I'm happy to be an asset.